Captain America! Woo! What do we got going on here? Some
Dude,
work?
I have been dealing with customer service issues all day.
All day.
All day.
We're gonna pause little baby. Yeah, you guys, you already know what's going on. Actually, definitely don't. But this video is gonna be today and tomorrow. Right now, what time is it? It is approximately 6 p.m. Holy crap, it's 6 p.m. It's still nice and light outside. Beautiful day, a little bit overcast, so I kind of like that weather. It's a little colder, so I can actually wear this. We are about to go get some photos with this puppy out on the city a little bit. We've just been working. I woke up at like noon, went to bed at 4 a.m. or so. Left the house once, got a burrito at my favorite spot, which I'll probably show you one of these days, Burrito Loco. Other than that, we've literally just been working. This is my workstation right here. I got both the laptops up for everything. If I can even open this with one hand. Boom, peep this, touch bar. Ready? Right here, peep this. We've got all the emojis you could need inside of here. 'Tis fancy, but we are about to head out. It's kind of funny to see people's different perspective on social media, because obviously, you know, we're traveling, so it's a lot of cool stuff. Like the last 2, 3, 4 months, I don't even know how long I've been traveling, doing all this cool stuff, you know, jumping around. We were in China, and then where were we in Bali, Thailand, we're in Russia, and now in Europe, traveling around doing stuff. We're actually leaving in 2 days. We just booked our flights to the next destination. So it's been really cool, and you know, a lot of people are like, oh, you're doing all this sick stuff, but I mean, on average, since I've been here in Prague, which I've been here for like 8 or 9 days so far, I leave the house once, sometimes twice a day. People might be like, oh, you know, yeah, you go do something. No, I just get food. That's it. Like just across the street, get food. You know, 2 blocks to the best burrito spot ever. I'll definitely show you guys Burrito Loco. But other than that, it's just been work. So that's what this trip has been so far. Not even just in Prague, but everywhere. And it's a lot of fun because that's what I want to do and that's what I'm focused on, but still able to experience it. So tomorrow is where the bulk of this video is going to be. Still going to put that in after this stuff. We're about to go do a quick photo shoot with some of these new Fuego clothes because we've been traveling extremely light over like the last few months. So trying to pick up a few more clothes and stuff. Definitely gonna do that as soon as I get back to LA and get my house. But other than that, we did just book our second destination like, I don't even know, like 20 minutes ago or whatever. I can't tell you guys where, but you guys will be seeing that in the next few weeks, depending on when I actually post this video. So other than that, by the way, if you guys don't know who I am, what is going on, I'm Hayden. I'm an 18-year-old entrepreneur, and I've been traveling the world. Actually, there's not even a crazy view behind me right now. But I'm currently in Prague, going through Europe, having some fun, and I hope to bring you along for the journey. So let's get on with this photo shoot.
Look, I know you're just one of them.
Ooh-wee.
You ready to go?
Am I ready to go?
Let's go,
Dude, I just got back, gotta back everything up. Of course, I ended up spending, instead of like 100 bucks for just the chargers, for like quick 230 bucks or so, because I also picked up a hard drive. So, gotta add to the collection. But other than that, we are gonna go back down on the street because now we've gotta get some Instagram photos and then get back to work. So, I guess let's go do that right now. It's just a bunch of dudes in a really small lift. Not an elevator.
It's an elevator.
Elevator.
It's a Vader of the L.
I can barely do a sidestep.
Dude, I don't know what you're talking about. It's like a whole fucking room right here.
Oh, dude, I'm getting squished. Hayden's so fat. When he lay against my body, I drown.
That's disrespectful. What do we got there? What kind of camera is it? Let the people know. We got some photographers out there in the audience.
You see this? See this right here?
Who could that have been?
Guess who did that?
Happens when your keys don't work.
This guy.
All right, though, Luke, you want to give him a quick rundown on what kind of rig we're using? What's this setup?
This is a Canon 1D right here. You know, we're gonna go out and we're gonna shoot some content. And because Hayden, he needs his Instagram pictures.
Boom. Every single 3 days. By the way, follow me on Instagram if you're not already. As of today, he's gonna hit 30,000 followers, not subscribers. We actually just crossed 70,000 subs on YouTube, but he's gonna help right here, posting every 3 days. That's been the goal while we're traveling. Get the full-time shooter out here with us.
Yeah, man.
Let's go get these photos.
Oh, you gotta get me doing the fucking
Oh, what do I gotta get?
machine gun.
No,
Well,
so
we're going back.
we're going back? What do you forget? SD card, forgotten. Back to the apartment. Good
That's
go.
how we do it out here in Prague, baby. We only forget the important things, you know? This camera is worth about 4 grand.
4 grand.
4 grand?
Wow.
Pretty fat. You can't really see it now, but it's pretty heavy. It's like a couple pounds.
Is it heavy or are you just weak? Which one is it?
I could do some fucking bicep curls with this.
Well, all right, now that he hyped it up, you got to do the machine gun thing as we're going back up the lift.
Say hello to my little friend.
We get it, dude. You make money on the internet. Now we got the SD card.
Now we got it.
Boom. Whoa, and just like that, we are back. And I want to point out, the 2 police officers, the ladies that are in there, I swear, this one, let me see if I can get it. She's like 13, max. Max 13, driving this cop car. All right, so we're wrapping up a little photo shoot here, about to grab a bite to eat for the 2nd time today. Really only been eating like once or twice a day, but I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow morning roughly. Luke, when are we leaving tomorrow morning?
We're leaving tomorrow at like 12 in the afternoon or something?
12 in the afternoon. Okay, noon, that's not bad considering we go to bed at like 4 or 5, but gonna do that, have some fun. So that is where I'm gonna pick up this vlog type video, whatever. If you guys are enjoying it, drop a like down below. I appreciate it, you guys. Let's go have some fun. I have no idea what we're gonna do tomorrow, but it's finally gonna be the first day where we actually go and explore Prague. Alright, we secured the bag right here. Chocolate croissant. Major key. I got 3 of them. They're like, oh, we're not hungry. I'm like, hey, I didn't get them for you, bro. These are for me.
This is Hayden's favorite dish. He eats one of these every morning.
Actually, it's been like 3 days since I've had one, so I gotta make up for the difference.
He's having withdrawals.
Look, I'm not addicted. I can quit if I want. I just don't want to, guys. Just get out of here. This is lit. Look, it's 2 stories. All of these are 2 stories. I've never been on a train, let alone 2 stories. That's sick. All right, the decision is final. I am now forever, always, and only traveling by train. This is the smoothest ride I've ever experienced in my life.
This is really nice, I'm enjoying it.
Like literally, there is like absolutely zero shakiness. I don't care what kind of car. Even if you're in a Phantom or cruising in the Rolls-Royce Wraith, it is not this smooth. There's a few bumps right now, but it is so smooth. Like I don't know what kind of bearings they're using in the axle or suspension, but this is unreal. And we're on the 2nd story. It doesn't get more lit than this. And we almost missed our stop, but we made it. Where the fuck are we? Wait. You said 6 miles to walk to the castle. Okay, good going, Luke. You really think I'm gonna be able to? Yeah, you know what? Try and get an Uber Black out here. Good luck with that.
I'm trying, dude. I'm trying right now.
You guys want to stay at a romantic-y hotel? Wow, how romantic does that look? It's got 2 beds and everything. Oh, lion! Let's go check out the zoo. Seriously though, look at where we are real quick. We're not catching any sort of Uber. 6 miles, wish me luck. I'm wearing Vans. We got a heavy backpack. We all do, except for Brandon, of course. But literally I'm in a field. I don't even know. We're like 20 minutes outside of Germany. You could drive to Germany in 20 minutes. So I might have to go to Germany. With alcohol?
Yeah, and then I'll
You've piqued his interest.
Can I try the alcohol?
He'll try it. If you guys know me, you know I do stuff like this all the time. So it was about a minute and a half since that last clip. I managed to find and buy a sword. So, actually it's not a gun, but anyways, some sick Instagram. Hey,
Shooting a sword?
shut up, you can get shot, bro. Drop bodies out here. This can make for some sick Instagram pictures, hopefully, since we're going up to a castle, so this will be interesting. Yeah. Look at these guys. Yo, hold my sword, bro. What's up? Let's go inside this castle door. Or not. Up here on top of this little castle point, it's been kind of turned into a total tourist destination, which is lame, but it's like in the middle of nowhere, yet there's a lot of people. So, beautiful view, as you can see. But we're gonna be out here getting some Instagram photos. What do we got going on here? Look at all this carbon fiber.
That's beautiful.
Is that real?
Probably not.
Probably not.
Not a little bit. Well, actually, yeah, I kind of want.
All right, and by the way, we did sneak into this castle. I'm actually gonna leave this sword. Let me put it here so nobody finds it. Oh, that's a good spot. Hopefully nobody steals that. We're going backwards. You're supposed to move this way. We're going in through the exit because we kind of snuck in here. It's been working well so far.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Dark inside and really bright outside.
All right, children. Today I'm gonna give you what was always boring to me, and that is a history lesson on look at all these keys. This one's from a different year than this year. This is from at least 10 years ago, and I bet this one is at least 30. Could be 100, but that's at least 30. And we got
like 500 years old, come on.
Hey, exactly, at least. That's what I said. That's why I made sure I was covered, all right? Cover all bases. We got metals and different titanium, not aluminum. There's no way that's a real gun for 40 bucks. Dude, I wouldn't even want to shoot a gun that costs 40 bucks. That's not safe. Hopefully this is a little bit more interesting history for you guys. All these different, these aren't old though. I don't even know what is that? Anyways, maps and stuff, all these glasses. This is not really my style of decor, but there's a lot of different stuff in here. That is an interesting window. Look at that. Look at how small that is. I bet these are all authentic, not AliExpress drop shipped. Wink, wink.
Where's any pictures? He doesn't want to cooperate.
And the trek down begins. We've already gone a little bit. Castle is up there.
Hey, skip.
Look at all this.
Skip.
Whoa. Oh, the shade's gone. You are.
What's up, guys? I'm just chilling with my homies here, you know?
Yo, move your fucking face, bro. What is you doing?
Other bro back there somewhere. Where's he at?
Hell no.
Yeah. There's my other dude.
Yo, they're getting ready to attack, bro. They're paused. And we got a pig up in there. This is probably about 100 yards long, and it goes 50 feet up, and that's just from the bridge, not the ground. So this is like 3 foot deep, really, really crappy water. So this will be epic. The key here is sign your name, send button. Hey, make sure you're filming. Yes, sir! See, on the way here, I walked almost all the way up, and I was scared. Don't ever play yourself. Don't ever be a bitch. Just do it. That was so scary. Like, literally. I'm shaking a little bit. All right, I'm over it, though. I'm trying to get better at this stuff. You gotta focus on a focal point, like 10 feet in front of you on the beam. But while I'm doing that, I see the background, just some crazy fat-ass drop.
At first I was like, dude, I've never seen someone die before. I'm not gonna look. And then you're like halfway over. I'm like, dude, he's got it.
Now the sketchy part is coming down. I'm wearing Vans that have no traction, and it's a pretty big incline. So like, I don't want to slip.
I have no words. That's what I just. This guy, he just scaled this entire bridge. He walked up that shit.
That was the craziest shit I've ever seen in my life.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Oh no, where are my Gucci's? I thought I lost my Gucci's while I was up there, but he took them. This, just give this a reference, you guys. Look at this crap. This is crazy. It's at least 50 feet, but you guys don't ever be afraid to do something. I know there's no cops out here, so it's not that big of a deal, but face your fears, ladies and gentlemen.
Hayden,
face your fears.
What did you just do, dude?
What's going on, everyone? We just scaled all of this. Yes, sir. Back on the train to the next destination. We'll see what happens.
Let me unravel it real quick.
All right, we gotta unravel this ticket. We realized, you know, we came from this side of the tracks, but we gotta go back over there because there's no crossing, because we're gonna be going back this way a little bit. Got that ticket right there. Round trip, baby. What was that? 280 check, which is like, let's see, 3 people round trip, approximately $12 US. Not a terrible deal. Not a terrible deal. Hey, and by the way, if you guys have ever seen the movie Stand By Me, let's see. Is there a train? Oh, it's warm. A train's been here. A train has been here. Therefore, you would be safe to cross the tracks over a bridge. The more you know. It's so weird because I've seen vibes and stuff like this in Germany where it's like, I mean, you can just see like the type of writing, like Karlstein and this type of crazy vibe. So, I don't know. Kind of living out what I've seen in movies. It's really interesting. Absolutely great timing here for the train. I just sat down and here it is. Look at that. Let's get it. Sitting up top again so we get a better view over the fence. Yes, sir. Are you guys sure this was the right stuff?
No, this isn't the right stuff. Right now, bro.
We have no idea, but this is lit. It'll be an adventure. Let's see where this takes us. Not looking so sold out. Get on that shit. And we missed our stop.
Yeah.
Yup. But we got a great clip of Luke. He's not happy about this. Check this out.
Very happy.
We made it. We are here. We need to go there. Let's go. This way. This way. Come on, heads up guys, this way. Constantly making a quick stop because we gotta get some sick photos. Look at this architecture here. Absolutely stunning building in the middle of some not so stunning. Either way, the architecture is sick, but imagine this angle. Hey look, Subway's got a car. That's lit. It's a shortcut, I think. It's a cut that's short. It might cut our time short, our time working short, because it's not a shortcut. My burrito sensor is going off, and my battery is low. But I can feel like we're getting close. What is this? If you've ever been anywhere great, you know this place. Look at the fresh steam. All about that burrito grande life. That one. And both of my batteries died, you guys, while I was literally just walking into Burrito Loco. But anyways, we got some really good food, completely killed that, and I've been working for like the last 45 minutes or so. Finally got this battery charged up a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you saw some of the entertaining stuff that actually, I don't want to say that we constantly do because it's mostly work out here while we're traveling, but it was definitely an interesting day. I'm definitely not gonna be walking for the next day or two. My feet are so sore. I mean, just bad mistake to wear Vans. Just absolutely no padding. But other than that, if you guys did enjoy the video, I'd very much so appreciate it if you drop a like down below. And of course, join the ever-growing family and the gang by hitting that nice looking subscribe button. We are well past, actually, we're about at 71,000 subs. You guys are crazy. I do appreciate that. If you want to see more like kind of travel, lifestyle, vlog content, where it's not just like sit down, informative business videos, let me know in the comments down below. And with that being said, I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Peace.